Okay, so in this video, let's talk about the bottom that is confirmed. Okay, and now let's check also in the trends what we need to buy. Okay, and let's see exactly what we need to do. Okay, so let's go straight into the video. Okay, so right now here is the BTC chart. Okay, so right now we know that the BTC just broke this key. You can see this, it broke this key resistance over here, and right now it broke this big resistance, right? At 4 hour resistance it broke, right? So right now it's bullish for BTC, and right now is the best time to buy all your altcoins. Okay, so right now it's a good time that we put a good entry here, a buying entry. Okay, but also let me talk about the bearish. If BTC does this, we are going down. Okay, if it only does this. So the bearish part is it just broke here, and now it breaks this key support right here. If it comes back again to 27,300, right, then everything is gone. Okay, so right now we are bullish, but it should not break that 27,300. Okay, it should not come there. Anywhere there it comes, then it's more probably going to go down. Okay, so that's your bullish and bearish for BTC, which BTC broke. So now we need to focus on the altcoins. Okay, so now let's talk about the next chart, which is your Ethereum chart. Okay, so for your Ethereum chart, so for Ethereum chart, here's your Ethereum chart. Okay, so right now Bitcoin's broken, right? So now we don't need to enter any short, we just need to enter all our long positions. Okay, so right now would be a good entry to buy Ethereum. Okay, so right now you can see Bitcoin's it's moving right here. Okay, so we need to put all our long entries. It is not given an exact where we need to stop, where the positions we need. 1 second now, 1 second, I'll just come. Yep, so we need to enter all our long positions. Okay, so right now BTC is broken. Ethereum would be a good long entry, and you can put your TPs around here at around, you can put your TPs around here. Okay, but exactly we don't know when till where BTC will pump, so it's not a good, like, it would not be a good position to put a TP and all. So you got what I'm saying, right? Right now the BTC is broken, everything's broken, so it's a good entry to put your long. Right now it's not an exact where you can put your TPs, but more or less I'll tell you the more or less way where you can put your take profits. Okay, if it dumps, so more or less for Ethereum you can put your take profits around here. Okay, around here at around 1960. Okay, we can put your TPs there at around 1960. Okay, so that's for, if you're entering your longs, you can enter your longs in Ethereum, and if BTC dumps, everything dumps from here. Okay, so now let's talk about the next chart, which is your, if BTC breaks that 27,300, right, then everything is broken, then everything falls down. But if Bitcoin just goes even sideways, it's more likely going to pump. Okay, so now let's talk about your next chart, which is your AVAX chart. Okay, so right now even AVAX would be a good entry buying, and the more probably put your take profits right around here. I'll put it as green over here. Okay, so you can see your more probably your take profits for AVAX will be right here at around $18, you can see. Okay, so one AVAX. Okay, because more probably BTC right now is in a bullish position, right? So if you put your take profits right now, sorry, if you put your long position right now, would be a good entry right now for AVAX also, and you can put your take profits at around $18. Okay, so for short entries, if only if BTC dumps that 27,300, right, if it breaks that resistance, if it breaks that, then you can start shorting from here. Okay, from around $16.38 to your short take profit around $14.26. Okay, so that's your short entry, and now it's all long. Now it's all long since Bitcoin also broke it, right? But if Bitcoin comes back again there and breaks it, then you can also short it. Okay, so now let's talk about the next chart, which is your Solana chart. Okay, so for your Solana chart is also giving a good bullish thing. Okay, so right now entering a longs would be a good entry. Okay, so if BTC breaks that 27,300, right, you can enter a short from here around 20 $21, around $21 point 29 cents to your take profit around $19.88. But right now everything, since BTC broke that big 4-hour resistance, right now everything is bullish. And if you want to put your take profits, which I would not tell you to put, but if you want to put it, you can put it around here at around at around $22, you can say $22 your take profits, right, around here $22.73 if you want to put. But so far I'm just going to hold it till I see the next resistance. Okay, so far I'm not putting a take profit, but if you want to be safe, you can put a take profit around $22.73 for Solana chart. And your chart position, if Bitcoin breaks that 27,300, you need to put a short here, $21.29, and then I take profit around $19.88. Okay, so now let's talk about the next chart, which is your dot chart. Okay, so dot chart also broke, Bitcoin also broke. So right now would be a good entry to put your big green candles, big buying orders, okay, on your dot also, if you are interested in buying dot, because dot also is a good entry. And right now, as I told you, don't need to put a take profits, because you need to check till where BTC breaks, because all these other coins are going to get ripped. But if you want to put your take profits, right, for dot would be a good take profits around here, you can see. Okay, this is not a must, but if you all want to put your take profits, will be right here, you can see around $6.19. Okay, for your dot, you put your entry right here now, and you put your take profits around $6.19. Okay, there you can put your take profit. But if Bitcoin breaks that 27,300, right, comes back again, test there, you can put a short around here at around $5.78 per dot, and take profits of dot around $5.25. Okay, so that's for dot chart. Now let's talk about the next chart, which is your Cardano. Okay, so right now I want you to see this. Okay, so right now you all can see this, right? So what your dot did, your dot gave a good pump, means there's more buying pressure in dot. Okay, so that's also there, so you need to keep in mind that you need to enter dot, because there's a lot of buying pressure on dot. Okay, so right now putting a buying entry on dot also would be good. And if BTC breaks that, and you can put your take profits around here. Wait, I'll tell you exactly. Yep, you can put your take profits right here at around 0.41 cent. But I'm not forcing you all to put, but I'm saying BTC didn't tell us exactly where it's going to go. So we more or less don't put a take profit, but want to be on a safe side, we put it to 0.41 cents for Cardano. Okay, now let's talk about your short position. If BTC breaks that 27,300, right, we need to put a short position right here. Okay, so put a short position here at around, we to put a short position around 0.38 cents, and put a short position over here at 0.38 cents, and you put a take profit around 0.35 cents. Okay, so that's for a short entry, and your right now it's a good buying position, okay, on ADA. So now let's talk about your Algorand chart. Okay, so right now your Algorand chart also, your Algorand chart would be a good buying entry, because I just want to show you this one thing. Okay, because on a daily, if you see Algorand chart, on a daily, you see Algorand chart, if you see this is a daily. Okay, so right now we are on a daily, so here's what your Algorand chart did. Okay, so right now this is your daily, see, this is a daily chart, and this red line you all can see, right, it's touched here one time, two time, and now that it already touched the third time, so it's more probably if it comes here we are lucky. But Algorand, you can see, it's just, you can see, right, it just bottomed out, you can see. So buying Algorand now would be a good buying entry, right? So that's why daily on Algorand I showed you. And right now for Algorand chart also, buying right now would be a good buying opportunity right here. But if Bitcoin breaks that 27,300, right? We don't have to short this algorithm. Okay, that's what I want to tell you. You don't need to short this algorithm. Okay, so buying right now would be a good entry, and plus it's giving small candles, so more probably there's no that much buying and selling pressure. So if even little people buy more, it goes up, right? So that's for algorithm chart. Now let's talk about the next chart, which is your near chart. Okay, so for near chart also, if Bitcoin breaks that 27,300, right, you need to short near from $1.89. You take your short here and you put your take profits right here at around $1.72, right? You put our take profits right here at $1.72 if Bitcoin breaks that 27,300. But till then, it's all showing bullish. So we just need to put our buying entries, and like kind of the bottom is confirmed. So you can put like 2-3 trades right now, and when tomorrow or the after tomorrow it fully confirms, you can enter fully in the market. Okay, so right now I put around 2 to 3 trades. Okay, and I'll tell you also which trades I'm taking. Okay, so that's for a near chart. Now let's talk about the next chart, which is your phantom chart. Okay, so a phantom chart. So for a phantom chart, it's not broken this long resistance, right? You can see it didn't break till yet, so I would not enter into phantom. Okay, right now I would not enter into phantom. I'll just wait till it breaks this key resistance. Okay, so for phantom I'll just wait, or not short, not long. Okay, so that's for a phantom chart. But now let's talk about your crypto trends, okay, which is the main thing. Okay, so you can see quant is gone up. We'll check on quant. We'll check on Woo. Render also we'll check, and let's see. Yep, that's it. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so what I need to check is on a quant also. Okay, so I've already done it over here, which is your crypto trends. I put it over here. So now the tokens that are mostly going to pump, right? I'm going to give you all right now. Okay, so right now first we are putting on algo and all the other one. Okay, so algo, you know why? Because it's fully bottomed out. Then the next one I took one is rose, because rose also had a good pump, massive pump. You see it broke the key resistance over here, so I'll be entering. I also entered into rose, you can see. So then the next one also that I entered. Okay, so now you know rose is in trend, right? Rose. And the next one is SYN. Since SYN, I'll show on the daily. SYN also is bottom. SYN is like it's a bridge, right? SYN, Synapse protocol, is a bridge, and you can see that right now. You can see that it touched here one time, here it touched here 2 times. So right now buying this one would be a good entry, right? Because it touched here one time here, and now it also touched here second time, right? So buying Synapse protocol also would be a good thing. Okay, it's there on Binance if you all want. If you all want, the referral link is there below. That's also there. Okay, so the next one that I selected is Cardano also, since it had that massive buying pressure, and there's kind of everything bullish on Cardano. Okay, the trend also I bought is Cardano also. Okay, about Cardano. Now let's talk about your next chart, which is your Woo. Okay, so don't buy Woo, but I just want to tell you this. Okay, see, so now we know that we are buying algo, all those algo, then we are buying all what I told. So right now Synapse protocol, okay, is not in trend, but if it breaks this key resistance, right, this big key resistance, if it breaks that key resistance, you can see right here, if it breaks that key resistance, once it breaks this, makes a support, we need to enter all our longs. Okay, it's more probably going up because this kind of is a trend. But if it doesn't break, okay, we need to short this, right? We need to short this. If it doesn't break this, I'm shorting this. Okay, if it doesn't break, but if it breaks, you know, then I'm entering into this also. So that's for the trend of what trends I'm going to attack for this week. So now let's talk about your crypto news. Okay, so for crypto news, the first news is, so Telegram, right now Telegram allows wallet users to buy, exchange and withdraw Bitcoin. Okay, so right now Telegram got their new feature, right? They implemented on Telegram. The new feature is where you can send cryptocurrency, can send and you can withdraw, you can deposit into the platform, right? So that's the new feature that they integrated. Okay, so they created this Telegram wallet bot also has integrated new feature to enable users to buy, exchange and withdraw. Okay, so you can buy and sell means you can, like say suppose I want to send you Bitcoin, I can just send it, I can send it to my Telegram wallet, and then from there I can send it to you when you message me, right, on Telegram. Now let's talk about the next news, which is your OpenSea and Blur faces major drop in users and sales ever since 2021. Okay, so this is kind of a bad news for the NFT people, because if you see that the daily decline, okay, so the decline in NFT trading on platform, okay, for the unique wallet addresses has declined. Only that has declined. But if you see that the volume, if you see that the volume in ETH now, it remains the same. So more, there's no more new users, unique addresses entering the platform of Blur and OpenSea. It's the lowest. Only the seasoned NFT traders, right? They are only trading, and the volume is stable. Okay, so that's for your. So there's no more new money coming in. There's the same old money there in NFTs on OpenSea and Blur. Okay, so now let's go into your next news. Okay, so Canto Crypto launches one-stop crypto OTC desk in Dubai. Okay, so right now Canto Crypto has launched their one-stop crypto OTC. Okay, so where they can buy any amount. There's no limit for this OTC in Dubai for buying and selling cryptocurrency with cash. Okay, so they're putting it for buying. So if you have cash, you can directly go to this Canto Crypto in Dubai and buy or sell crypto with cash of the Dubai currency, right? But the thing that this is important is because this Canto Crypto, right? They've been for 7 years 7 years. They have customer satisfaction in Dubai, and it can increase accessibility and adoption of crypto. This thing, what they're doing, right? It's increasing the accessibility and adoption in Dubai. So Dubai is kind of becoming like the crypto hub, you can say, right? Because everybody's using crypto. So now let's talk about your next news, which is your Helium HNT token, right? Completes high profile migration to Solana. As you know that the Helium network had to transfer their they had to transfer all their dApps to Solana, since Solana has that speed and they don't need to create a blockchain. Okay, so that they already shifted to Solana right now, and HNT token skyrockets. Okay, so we need to keep an eye on this HNT token. Okay, but it's not there on Binance. That's the funny part. Okay, they just delisted on Binance because of some this, what do you say, that because of some activity, flaw activity. Okay, so right now HNT was there. Okay, so you can see that the HNT price just dropped also. It pumped and now it's all dropped. Okay, so we don't need to see. But right now, as you know that the HNT token just they migrated it to Solana, right? So now what the HNT, they don't need to focus on the blockchain. They can just focus on the decentralized wireless network and creating new products on the network, right? They can only focus on that. Okay, so that's it for your crypto news. If you like premier content like this, just give it a like, hit that subscribe button, ping the notification bell on so you don't miss content like this and you're early to watch. Peace out, crypto fam.